and welcome to my channel. This is a quick video to show you how to replace the shift or the transmission gear shift linkage bushing on this is specifically an E320 W210 Mercedes Benz, but pretty much the majority, so many of the Mercedes Benzes were made with this bushing that over time wears out, and the symptom is that as you shift the gear to park, the car will continue to move, which is very dangerous. And so if you're facing the rear of the car right after the transmission pan and transmission mount, you will see it to the right of the drive shaft. The bushing is very cheap, $2.59 or so, and there is a clip too that holds it in place. As you can see here, the bushing is completely gone in this car. And what you will need is I don't have the right tool, so I'm showing how to do this just with a bolt that is 2.5 inches long and in diameter smaller than the inside of the bushing, and then a couple of metal washers on two sides with a wrench, and then a bolt. You can do this just as easily without the tool. So this is sort of the combination of bolts and washers and the round side of the wrench, so that you can apply force and get the green bushing to go through this hole that is smaller than the bushing by design. So you might need some sort of a silicone spray too to help it push in, but then it's very little room to show how I turned it, because you'll need both hands to do this. But it does require, you would have to raise the car on jack stands, and probably all four wheels as high as you can. But other than that, it takes some maneuvering and it can be done. But if you have this issue, this is what you can do to fix it. And even if you don't, it's good to check and see how far gone this bushing is in your car. Anyways, I hope you find this video of use, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.